So my name is Paul Miller, and my job title role at NEIEP, I am a local instructor, and I work with development here at NEIEP and one of the Train the Trainers. So the Train the Trainer week here at NEIEP, give you an idea of what it looks like. We bring instructors around from all over the country that teach in our home locals. We have lead instructors that train the trainers. We will work with the instructors, take them through the course, teach them how the labs work, how to bring the lab back to their home locals so they can instruct their apprentices or mechanics for continuing education in a way that remains consistent across the United States. My interest in working at NEIEP, being a part of NEIEP, started very early on when I started instructing. I went to school for electrical engineering, and there were numerous professors that I could say that professor was an excellent, great professor, or another professor that left a little to be desired. Once I got into the NEIEP program as an apprentice, I knew that I wanted to be able to take the experiences that I had and be able to give back and try to help develop the program to be the best that it can be. So it was a desire to not only teach, but try to discover and figure out different ways to teach to make it easier for apprentices, including myself when I was an apprentice, so it would make it easier for people to understand.